Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is MamaG, and today's video, guys, we will do a blue cheese sauce for steak. So this blue cheese, guys, is extraordinary because it's very special. It has a strong smell, it has a strong taste, so smelly and strong. It's crazy. The first time I tried this, I still remember I didn't like it because, oh my god, I'm not familiar to eat cheese strong because I always eat light, just light, okay? So here in France, there is a lot of cheese, you know, it's crazy. There's 1,000 cheese, different kinds. So yeah, so the first time I didn't like it, but later on I started to love it. So you can eat the blue cheese with bread, of course, and after you can mix it with your dish, okay, and you can make it as a sauce as well. So if you guys are interested, please keep watching. So first, before cooking the sauce, I will prepare my French fries, homemade, okay? So it's better to eat with this one than the frozen. So you just have to put some oil. And then put some spices. So this one is a mix: garlic, salt, and chili. So now we will put in the oven for 215 degrees for about 30 minutes. So this will be a good timing, and after we will cook the sauce, and the last is the steak. So we need a beef cubes, cream, and blue cheese. So we just need the half, okay, and we will put hot water. So let's start with the cream, guys. So make sure your pan is already hot. But we will cook it in a low cook. For full recipe and measurement, guys, please just check my description box. So next we will put the water with beef cubes that we dissolved a while ago. So now put higher the fire. So now put in the low fire before putting the blue cheese. So why they call it blue cheese? This special mold creates the unique veins of blue or blue-green mold throughout the cheese. It is these blue veins in the cheese that gave it its name, as well as its signature sharp and salty flavor. These veins of mold, along with certain types of bacteria, also give blue cheese its special smell. So now give it a try. So if you can taste the cheese, and it's up to you how strong you wanted to have your sauce. Okay, so me a little bit strong, I like it, and yeah, and it was mixed well, so it's good. You can turn off the fire. So 10 minutes before cooking, you have to open the steak, okay? I want to be in the good timing, so I want when the fries is about to cook, like 5 minutes before, I will cook the steak. Make sure the pan is very hot before putting the steak. And add some rock salt. And rosemary leaves. Fresh rosemary. We have a lot in our garden, so I always cook with rosemary. It gives a nice taste. So I think it's done. Okay, so I have the fries, the homemade fries, the homemade blue cheese sauce, and the steak. Smells good. So now I will put the sauce on the top of the steak, or you can eat like you want. You will just dip the steak with the sauce. It's up to you guys. It's easy to go to the restaurant, of course. You will just eat. But if you want to be impressed with your girlfriend, your wife, your husband, your boyfriend, okay, just make this dish with effort and love. And I'm sure, guys, it will be perfect dinner or lunch for you. I cook my steak with a medium rare. Oh my god, it's perfect cook. Oh my god. You can also dip the fries, guys. It's delicious. So I hope you guys enjoy watching. Please don't forget to put like and subscribe to my channel for more videos, and see you again in my next vlog. Bye!